Welcome to 7 Peanut Drive, Delaware, Delaware 19904. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, fully fenced in with great yard sitting on 0.4 acres. I love this space. It has a living room, a family room with a fireplace, and a dining area. I absolutely love the front porch. Book your tours today. Let's take a look. I love the outdoors, privacy fence. If you love to plant vegetables, take a look. You get a chance to do that. Just look at this. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Now this is home for you. Book your tours today. I'm JEMIMAH CHUKS Realtor with eXp Realty.